So it was Dietitians Week last week, and I got asked to make a Dietitian's Angel. The challenge with this one was what to make a difference. So like the Doctor Angel, I could do a stethoscope on, the nurse had the little hat. So it had to be something different. And when looking online, the pictures that come up is either them standing with a food like an apple or a tape measure around the neck. So having given a bit of thought, it turned to my smallest turn, which was a little fruit bowl, smaller than a 2p size, with the fruit also turned on the lathe. But obviously, same as the midwife angel, I couldn't just have the plate of food floating in mid-air, so I had to create some arms as well. So have a look at the video, see the concept come together, and hope you enjoy. Carving this half ring into a banana shape was quite tricky, and as it was so small to hold, it would possibly have been better if I had kept the full ring, carved the shape from that, and then sawn it in half. But hey, so you learn for next time.
both the apple and the orange, I cut off the nib that was left after parting. However, in hindsight, I should have left that on because it would have given me a place to hold with the tweezers and would have made putting the lacquer on, painting it and everything a lot easier. I used the bandsaw to cut the angles into their elbows prior to gluing. Unfortunately, the camera angles didn't work out, so that's why it's not included on the video.
there you have the little dietitian angel, complete with a little fruit bowl with apple, banana and orange. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.